Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Gener8, this little app right here, and you're wondering, is it legit? Can you really make money from it, or is it a big waste of time? All right. Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below, and I'll send you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them are great, some of them so-so, some of them an absolute waste of time. So let's check out Gener8 as an app to find out whether you can really make money from sharing your data. Okay. So what is Gener8 all about? Now, Gener8 is a data monitoring app, right? They collect your data, they monitor your data, and basically it says it's like frequent flyer miles for the internet, all right? So that sounds pretty cool, right? And basically it says join more than 500,000 people and how you can earn money from sharing your data. So the way that this works is all you would do is you would come here and you would add Gener8 to your Chrome browser. All right. Now what it does is it scans basically everything that you're browsing for online. So when you're on the internet and you're browsing on Chrome, it'll basically collect data, and the more you browse, the more money that you make. And we'll talk about how much money you can really make from Gener8 in a second. All right. Now what it does as well is it monitors the apps that you use. It monitors where you're going on the internet, and it shows you ads at the same time. So that's how they make money. All right. So on the back end, they're showing you ads. You can download their browser as well, and they've got a few different types of products that you can use here, like the Gener8 extension, the Gener8 Genie, the Gener8 app, things like that. You can use it on your mobile device, and you can use it on your laptop or PC as well. Okay. Now the thing that's very important to understand is that unfortunately, you cannot earn from everywhere in the world. So, you know, when you first land on the website, it looks like it's a global business, but it's not, all right? This is only based in the UK. So if you're based outside of the UK, unfortunately, you're not going to be able to get any rewards, which is kind of crappy, unfortunately, right? Because it's a pretty cool app, but if it's only available in the UK, then it only targets a very small group of people in the world. So if you're not based in the UK, you basically can't make any money or get any rewards from this app. So if I go to the rewards section right here, because I'm not based in the UK, right? You'll see that this is all locked, okay? So all their exclusive offers, basically, it's all locked. All right, so unfortunately, you're not going to be able to make any money. Now, here's the interesting thing, okay? So what happens is, as you are using the app, what happens is you're going to gain points, right? You're going to get Gener8 points. And essentially, you need roughly about 830 points to be able to exchange for a gift card. So like an Amazon gift card or a Google Play Store gift card or a PlayStation gift card, right? You're going to need 830 points. Now, for you to understand how long it's going to take you to get 830 points, let me sort of give you an example, right? Basically, when you sign up with Gener8, for every single action that you take, so when you sign up, you set up your account, you know, you download the Gener8 Chrome browser, and then for every 10 minutes that you're browsing Chrome, you will roughly make about 1 point. So I want that to sink in for a second, right? So think about how long it's going to take you to add up to 830 points. Well, it's basically 10 minutes times 830. That's a long time. Okay, now let's just say you have 830 points. You now go to the reward section, right? And you know, on my browser where I'm based in the world, they only have the PlayStation 5, but this is 3,584 points. It's not even 830 points, right? Now the problem is that just because you have the points doesn't mean that you can go and get that reward. What they've done is they have an auction-based system. So you have to now come in here and you have to compete with other people to try and win your reward. So now what's going on is you spend all this time, right, building up your points, browsing the internet, downloading all the stuff that they want you to download. They're going to be showing you ads, they're collecting your data, which is cool, right? It's kind of passive, but it takes an extremely long time for you to add up the right amount of points for you to go to the auction center to get your rewards. And then when you're ready to do that and you have the right amount of points, you have to compete against hundreds of thousands of people all over the world that are trying to get that exact reward from the auction. So the chances that you actually win a prize is very, very low. Okay, so it's a very strange setup. There are a lot of other you know, data monitoring apps and other websites where you gain points and you can actually just withdraw your rewards without having to fight against other people all over the world, right? So this whole auction system for you to get your reward, I think is really, really strange, all right? So unfortunately, you know, they make it sound like it's very easy, and it's a cool little app. I mean, if you look at it here, it works quite well, right? It's really nice looking. They've got a few different types of products, okay? You can even, you know, save a little bit of money by getting a coupon code if you're based in the UK. So if you're not based in the UK, you can't do any of these things, unfortunately, right? And it is free, and you can sit back and let Gener8 work for you, right? But it's extremely slow. So this is basically the way it works. So just imagine if you are based in the UK, what would happen is you would download it on Chrome, and basically you would just forget about it, okay? And it would work in the background for months and months and months. And after a few months, you might have enough points for you to go to the auction and try and win something, but the chances that you win something is really, really low. So I think that it's a little bit of a waste of time, to be honest. I mean, you might get lucky and you might, you know, win a prize, but you know, highly unlikely. So I'm gonna just go to Trustpilot so that you can see what, you know, people are really saying about this app, right? It has some pretty high reviews, you know, 3,881 reviews, 4.3 star. But I don't like to look at the 5-star. I like to look at the 1-star, because generally 1-star is where the real complaints are, especially if there's a pattern, right? People are saying the same thing over and over again. That's really where the problems are. Now, if you look at the 5-star, people just generally say, oh, it's a nice app. You know, it works well, I get discounts and stuff like that, but that is if you're based in the UK, okay? If you're based outside of the UK, you basically can't use this app at all. Now let's see what the 1-star people are saying to see if there's a pattern that we can find, right? So the first one, Jackie says, she's from the UK, right? Waste of time. If you want to waste a lot of time day after day watching a clock tick down and minutes and seconds and clicking straight away for a pop-up to tell you the gift card has sold out, then go for it. So frustrating. So you can see, right? They don't really give you that many gift cards because you have to fight against people all over the world. 1-star, Robbie says, also from the UK, just don't waste your time. Stay away, can't get rewards now unless you are money off offers. Had 1 gift card in 3 years of using the app. 1 gift card in 3 years for Robbie, ridiculous, right? But can't spend, keep your data, eventually someone will actually pay you for it properly. I don't discourage you from trying it out, as I have ended up with nothing else. This app is full of BS. Okay, so not happy at all. Bob says, from the UK as well, total scam. Waited the exact second 10 gift cards were available, and then it said all gone. When rest, it said 9 left. Wouldn't let me try again, resent them onto the next. Basically want your data but not actually prepared to pay you for it. Frustrated. Okay, so really, really bad, right? Number 1, Reza says, also from the UK, total scam, waste of time. It's a total scam, waste of time. Don't sign up here, no payout. You can only buy offers, and they have with your points, right? So pretty bad, right? Last one, 1-star, George from the UK, getting worse. After 2.5 years, they are still rewarding with hopes. Points they're rewarding are still nearly impossible to redeem for something of actual value, probably harder than 2 years ago, right? So it's not that, you know, okay, the general state is that, or the general feel is that it's very difficult for you to get rewards. Now, if this was a website where they were just saying, you know, donate your data for free and you don't have to worry about it, we're gonna use it for, you know, whatever, you know, they're obviously using it to make money for themselves, right? But if you're looking for a way to actually make money, because they say how to earn from your data, right? It's time for a change. Everything you're doing online is being tracked. Everyone's earning from your data except you, so you may as well earn from your data, but they're making it so difficult for you to actually get the reward. Then what's the actual point of using an app like Gener8 if they're making it so hard for you to actually get rewarded for your data, right? So they're saying that you're going to get paid for your data, but they're making it so difficult for people to do it. I think it's an absolute waste of time. I think there are better ways for you to make money, number 1, online, and if you want to share your data and actually allow people to track what you're doing, then you should really get at least, you know, they should make it easier for you to actually make money from it. So if you're looking at Gener8, I personally wouldn't recommend it. I think there are better ways to make money online, right? Especially if you want to share your data, okay? Now, if you're watching this video right now though, you might be looking for a way to generate some real income online. Now, there are other data monitoring apps out there, but most of them will only give you about, you know, a couple of dollars a month for tracking your data. Literally like $3, $4, $5 for tracking your data every single month, which is really, really little if you think about it, right? And so if you're online and you're looking for more powerful ways to earn, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways, websites, models, courses on this particular channel, and out of all of them, there's only one method I think that a beginner can go from 0 to their first $5,000 to $10,000 the most realistic way. And so if you'd like to check that out, I've got a free masterclass you can check out. Just click the link below and I'll send you that masterclass for free, and you can check it out if you would like. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review of Gener8. Hope to see you on another video review. Good luck to you and take care.